Hello cyclists. Today is Tuesday, April 26th, 2022. Started the bike ride at 11:15 a.m. I'm riding the Cervella Caledonia Rival AXS bike again. After riding in the rain yesterday, today hopefully is going to be dry. Temperature 69 degrees, mostly cloudy. Wind is out of the northeast at 12 miles an hour, gusts up to 18 miles an hour. Today's route, going to go south through Atascocita, through Walden, go to the Atascocita Shores FM 1960, check out the construction. I think I can get through it okay today. Then over the lake to the east, Fair Lake Lane south, Old Atascocita Road east to FM 2100, north to FM 1960, and back across the lake. Probably 33 miles. I'm riding south on Plum Valley Drive in North Woodland Hills Village, Kingwood, on my way to Westlake Houston Parkway. After I finished yesterday's ride, my home weather station recorded 3.51 inches of rain. Even though I got soaked, I'm glad I got home when I did and not stuck in the heavier rain. I'm at 3.4 miles. Time is 11:34 a.m. Average speed is 11.5 miles an hour. Riding time's 18 minutes. I'm riding through Kingwood Greens, making a U-loop back to Westlake Houston Parkway. Before today's bike ride, I watched the prologue of the Tour of Romandy, 5.12 kilometers. Have some wind from my left front quarter. Mileage, I'm at 8.6 miles. Time is 11:57 a.m. Average speed, building it up to 12.5 miles an hour. Riding time 41 minutes 26 seconds. Riding north on Neehawk. Over to my right is Watercrest. I'm on my way back to FM 1960 at Atascocita Shores. We'll see what the construction site looks like. I'm at distance 14.7 miles. Time is 12:26 p.m. Average speed is 13.1 miles an hour. Riding into the headwind. Riding time is 1:07:28. Turning right on the Pine Cluster. Okay, I'm at Atascocita Shores and FM 1960. Looks like they poured half of the Atascocita Shores portion. Well, that concrete looks thick. Maybe 18 inches thick. I'm expecting some heavy loads. I'm going to see if I can go through that little section right there instead of going all the way down to the exit from the Chevron station. I rode across the short half section of Atascocita Shores. Stepped in some mud. Got my cleats messed up. So I didn't have to go through the Chevron station. So I'm starting across Lake Houston. .0 miles. Time is 12:34. Strong headwind. Average speed is 13.1 miles an hour. Riding times 1 hour, 14 minutes, 8 seconds. Riding east over Lake Houston. Somebody swept up all the broken tile that was on the shoulder close to the west side. Thank goodness. Much cleaner shoulder now. .2 miles. Time is 12:39. Average speed is 13.1 miles an hour. Riding times 1:19:05. I just saw the cyclist turn into the church. How'd you enjoy the headwind?
It's not that bad. Yeah, coming back.
I'm on the old Atascocita road, riding by this pasture, and I saw these 3 donkeys. Along with some cattle. Nice. I think I've seen them before. Further on down, another pasture. I'm at 19.8 miles. Time is 12:52. Average speed is still 13.1 miles an hour. Riding times 1 hour, 30 minutes, 45 seconds. Headed to FM 2100 right up ahead at the stop sign. I'm gonna go across, go east a couple tenths of a mile and make a U-turn and then go up FM 2100 north to Huffman and FM 1960. That'll be into the wind. That beep was 20 miles. I'm at FM 2100 and old Atascocita Road. Starting to see some love bugs. A little small swarm of them. Probably a couple dozen. I don't know if the rain stirred them up or freed them up, but I have to keep my mouth closed now. Headed north on FM 2100, riding on the shoulder. Looks like they're putting in driveway culverts. .9 miles. Time is 12:58. 13.1 miles an hour average speed. I'm at the intersection of FM 2100, which is going across, and I'm riding on FM 1960, headed west. I'm at 21.9 miles, and the time is 3 minutes after 1. I should now have some tailwind, at least. I'm on the west side of Lake Houston. As they say, I'm in the barriers. I'll go turn right at the traffic light onto Atascocita Shores. Out of the barriers. Onto Atascocita Shores. 25.3 miles. Time is 1:16. Improved my average speed to 13.5 miles an hour. That's what happens when you're not riding into the headwind. Riding time's 1:53:15. Intersection ahead is Reba Wood. Riding parallel to West Lake Houston Parkway at Kings Crossing. Hi. I'll take Kings Crossing. Just got a low battery signal for the AXS system, ETAP. I'll charge them when I get home. Now, as I was saying, I'm going to take Kings Crossing to Kingwood Drive, where it's easier to get across. .6 miles. Time is 1:39. Average speed is 13.6 miles an hour. Not bad considering the headwind. Riding time is 2:15:37. Riding north on Deerbrook Drive. Back in Kingwood. About a mile from finishing the ride. .4 miles. Time is 1:48. Average speed is 13.5 miles an hour. Riding times 2:24:29. If I didn't say it, the average speed is 13.5 miles an hour.